here to punch holes in my meat so the marinade can go through. I'm gonna do this on both sides. Been like 2.5 hours. There we go.